Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this amazing video, and today we are going to review Starbucks signature chocolate in salted caramel flavor. So packaging you have seen already. It comes in a cardboard box packaging, and inside it has got sachets into it. It's a salted caramel flavor. You have to use a pair of scissors to cut open this. So to make this one, we are gonna take a cup of milk and 200 ml of milk, and then gonna heat up in the microwave. Now the milk has been heated up already, and now I'm going to cut a sachet of Starbucks signature salted caramel chocolate and gonna add it straight away in the cup. The texture of the hot chocolate looks very rich. It is very rich in cocoa, and I'm gonna stir it up with the help of a spoon, and I'll show you how it looks. The color of the hot chocolate cocoa is very beautiful. It looks very rich, very smooth. Now when I tasted this hot chocolate, it tastes very rich in cocoa. It has a nice rich flavor, but it was not very salted or caramelly. Hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.